Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to protect Microsoft PowerPoint document with a password. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To protect a PowerPoint presentation, you can encrypt it with a password, restrict access to specific people, or mark it as final. Password encryption require password to open the file. Restrict access lets you control who can read, copy, or edit the presentation. Marking a presentation as final prevent editing and displays a warning banner. So in this video, I will show you how to protect your PowerPoint presentation document with password. It's so simple. So first of all, you have to open our PowerPoint, and now you can choose in the file that you want to protect. This one for the example. Okay, I will protect this document. Now you can click on File in here, click on Info, and you'll find there's an option Protect Presentation. You can just click on that, and you can choose on Encrypt with Password. You can click on that, and you can enter the password in here. You can create a password. Click on OK. Don't forget to confirm, re-enter the password. Click on OK. So now you have protect your PowerPoint presentation. Let's close this and reopen again. And when we try to open this file, it requires password to open this file, the presentation. It's very simple, right? So that is how to protect presentation with a password. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.